Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome back to The Deuce. I don't think that I've seen a thorough comparison of the Neumann BCM 705 against a bunch of other dynamic and broadcast microphones. So that's what we're going to do. There are timestamps in the thing, so skip around if you want. Let's get into it. This is the Neumann BCM 705, 3 inches off, gain on the 18i20 set at 4 o'clock, 24-bit 48 kilohertz. Let's go to the first one. The first mic in this comparison is the SE Electronics V7, a $100 handheld dynamic that I think sounds great. Here is how it compares to a mic that's 7 times the price. Let's go back and do a lot more. Back on the Neumann BCM 705, here is how it sounds. Nothing has changed. Let's hear another microphone. Now I am on the Sennheiser E835. This is kind of that affordable gold standard for the high-fidelity, condenser-like sound in a durable dynamic. There you go, 7 times cheaper than I don't know. Math is hard. Let's go on. Back on the Neumann BCM 705. What a shocker, nothing has changed. We have a lot more to go, so I'll stop talking. Now I am on the Rode Procaster. I am 3 inches off. My gain is still at around 4 o'clock. Check the lower third to see how much I boost each of these in post, but this is the first broadcast mic that it's being compared against. Let's go back and do a lot more comparisons. All right, we're back on the Neumann BCM 705. Here is how it's sounding. Clear out your ear holes. How does it sound? Next microphone. Now I am on the SE Electronics Dynacaster. I have the dynamite circuit engaged. I have the low shelf turned on, and I have the most aggressive high shelf turned on because this sounds the most high fidelity. It sounds the most detailed. So here is the SE Dynacaster in this setup. Oh, my gain is set at 12 o'clock. 11 o'clock, because the dynamite is engaged. Let's do some more. All right, we are not even near halfway done, so here is the BCM 705 palette cleanser. Let's hear another microphone. Now I am on the SM7B, 3 inches off, gain at 4. Check the lower third because I will have to boost this to the high heavens to get this to be the same level because it is so quiet and I didn't adjust my gain. There you go, 7B against the BCM 705. Let's do some more. Back on the Neumann BCM 705. Why do people have loud cars? I'll never know, but let's go ahead and jump to another microphone. Now I am on the Earthworks Ethos. I am 3 inches off. My gain is set at 12 o'clock. This is a broadcast condenser, and here is how this compares against the Neumann's broadcast dynamic. Neumann's only dynamic as far as I know. Okay. That's the sound sample. We got some more to do. Back on the BCM 705, let this function as your auditory Q-tip. Let's go to another microphone. Now I am on the Rode Broadcaster, which is Rode's broadcast condenser microphone. I am 3 inches off. My gain is at 12 o'clock. And yeah, here is how it sounds compared to the BCM 705. Very bright. Maybe a little bit crispy, hyper detailed. Let's do some more. All right, back on the BCM 705 again. Here's how it sounds. Get a feel for it. Listen to it. Another one now. Now I am on the Sennheiser MD421-2-U-. I don't know what I'm saying. Here is how this sounds compared to the Neumann. Sennheiser actually owns Neumann, so this is the BCM 705's little brother, but the little brother owns the big brother. I don't know. Let's go on. Okay, we are back on the Neumann. Hello, Neumann again. Nothing has changed. Check the lower third if you're not. It'll tell you how much I boost each of these in post. Let's hear another mic. Now I am on the Electro Voice RE20, 3 inches off, gain still at 4 o'clock, check the lower third. Here is how this sounds against the Neumann, hello Neumann, BCM 705. Which one do you like better? Do you like the RE20 or the BCM 705? We got some more. Let's do it. Back on the BCM 705, if you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. let's go to another mic. Now I am on the Lauten LS208. I am 3 inches off. My gain is set at 4 o'clock. This is a broadcast condenser microphone. It is just an insanely quiet condenser mic. I don't have the high pass or the low pass filter engaged, and here is how it sounds. Very detailed, very crisp. Let's go back to the Neumann and do some more. Okay, we are back on the BCM 705. I really hope this video is helpful because it takes a bit of time to make these, so let's go to another mic. Now I am on the Lewitt MTP-W950, their wireless capsule on the MTP-50 body. I am 3 inches off, gain is at 1 o'clock, cardioid polar pattern, no pad, no filter. And here is how this sounds compared to the Neumann. We have 2 more to go, 2 more Neumanns actually, so let's do that. All right, here we are on the BCM 705 again. I think we only have 2 more to go, so this is your penultimate palate cleanser. Let's go. Now I am on the Neumann Hello Neumann KMS 105. This is their handheld condenser microphone, and if I am remembering correctly, it is the same price as the BCM 705. That's why I wanted to include it. I am 3 inches off. My gain is set at 3 o'clock, so it is more of a quiet condenser. But there you go, that's enough. KMS 105, BCM 703. Let's do one more. And you all know what the final microphone is going to be. It is not a fair comparison, but it needs to be in here to function as a control. This is the last palate cleanser. Let's go to the last mic. And the final microphone in this comparison is the Neumann U87 Ai, cardioid polar pattern, no pad, no filter, 3 inches off with my gain set at around 11 o'clock. And here is how it compares against a microphone that's maybe $3,000 less expensive. But this is a control. And now you know how it sounds compared to the BCM 705, as if that's going to offer you any value. I don't know. All right, those are all the comparisons that I have for you. I'm not sharing any of my thoughts or opinions. All this was meant to be was a sample. I gave you a spoken word sample on 13 microphones, I think. 14 microphones if we include the BCM 705. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, thumbs up. Hated it, thumbs down. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Whoa. Beep.